Holy shit, dude, look, there's eyes. Straight down. Straight down. Are you seeing that? Yeah. Straight down there. No, can't you see that? Get right above it. There's just fish eyes there. That's a massive cod.
Oh my. At least a metre long. Holy shit! What the? Dude, it's gonna eat your GoPro. That's what I'm worried about. I'm gonna put the
It's difficult. There. Alright, here we are. See it there? Cod. That is the biggest cod I have ever seen.
I know.
Dude, look at it. It's just so